Good morning, everyone. Today, February 15, 2024, at exactly 10:08 a.m., we welcome you to our PREBID conference for contract ID number 24OE0182. Before we start, we would like to introduce ourselves, starting from the back members.
Dennis Sandoval, back chairperson.
Maris Matilba, Vice Chairperson.
Bishop Margaret Mesler de Mora, back member. Telmo Julias, back member.
Lionel Barroso, back sec member. Let's start. For contract ID number 24OE0182, Preventive Maintenance, Tertiary Roads, Malacanang Road Network, SO2706LZ, CHAINAGE 0 to CHAINAGE 1051. Location, Manila City. Scope of works, asphalt overlay. Approved budget for the contract, 19,599,994 pesos and 30 centavos. Contract duration, 50 calendar days. Bidders should have completed a contract similar to the project. The description of an eligible bidder is contained in the bidding documents, particularly in Section 2, Instruction to Bidders. Bidding will be conducted through open competitive bidding procedures using non-discretionary pass or fail criterion as specified in the 2016 Revised Implementing Rules and Regulations of RA 9184. Contractors or applicants who wish to participate in this bidding are encouraged to enroll in the DPWH Civil Works application, the DPWH Procurement Service, 5th floor, DPWH Building, Bonifacio Drive, Port Area, Manila, while those already enrolled shall keep their records current and updated. The contractor's eligibility to bid on the project will be determined using the DPWH contractor profile eligibility process and subject to further post-qualification. Information on registration can be obtained from the PRS during working weekdays from 7 a.m. to 4 p.m. or at the DPWH website www.dpwh.gov.ph. Interested bidders may obtain further information from Department of Public Works and Highways, North Manila District Engineering Office, and inspect the bidding documents of the address given during weekdays from 7 a.m. to 4 p.m. A complete set of bidding documents may be acquired by interested bidders on February 7, 2024 to February 27, 2024 from given address and website upon payment of the applicable fee for the bidding documents pursuant to the latest guidelines issued by the GPPB. The deadline for the order of shipment must be until 9 a.m. of February 27, 2024. Bids must be duly received by the BAC Secretariat through manual submission at the office address as indicated or online or electronic submission as indicated. However, bidders should only select one mode of submission, either manual or electronic. The guidelines for the preparation and submission of an electronic bid are contained in the BDS. The deadline for the submission of bids is on February 27, 2024, 10 a.m. Late bids shall not be accepted. All bids must be accompanied by a bid security in any of the acceptable forms and in the amount stated in ITB plus 15. Bid opening shall be on February 27, 2024, 12 noon at the given address and or through live streaming via YouTube channel DPWH North Manila DEO Procurement LS. Bids will be opened in the presence of the bidders' representatives who choose to attend the activity. Prospective bidders are advised that this office will be implementing DO17 series of 2015 three-strike policy in the procurement of contracts for infrastructure works, goods, and consulting services. If at the time of the post-qualification procedure, the BAC verifies that any of the deficiencies is due to the contractor's fault or negligence pursuant to 34.3 B2C of the 2016 Revised Implementing Rules and Regulation of RA 9184, the procuring entity shall disqualify the contractor from the award without any right to reimburse fees and incidental costs paid for the procurement of infrastructure contract subject of the bid. The Department of Public Works and Highways North Manila Districting Office reserves the right to reject any and all bids, declare a failure of bidding, or not award the contract at any time prior to contract award in accordance with sections 35.6 and 41 of the 2016 Revised Implementing Rules and Regulations of RA 9184 without thereby incurring any liability to the affected bidder or bidders. For further information, please refer to Engineer Enrico S. Lazaro, Head of BAC Secretariat, and Engineer Dennis E. Sandoval, BAC Chairperson. You may visit the following websites for downloading of bidding documents. DPWH website, www.dpwh.gov.ph. PhilJEP's website, www.philjeps.gov.ph. For online bid submission, the email address is electronicsbids@dpwh.gov.ph. For additional instructions, accredited safety officer and first aider with certificate of training issued by Red Cross in compliance with DOLE requirements for the approval of Construction Safety and Health Program, please refer to DO 98 series of 2014 and DO 129 series of 2014. Please include the tax identification number of key personnel and contact number of the materials engineer. For DO 127 series of 2018, strict application of RA 9184 in the conduct of post-qualification of bidders with delay of ongoing contracts with DPWH. DO 98 series of 2016, revised guidelines on the accreditation of contractors or consultants materials engineers. For interested bidders are required to present the following documents for the issuance of approved request of order of payment: company ID or any government issued ID, and authorization letter. Or any announcement from the BAC members.
Please be reminded to always scrutinize the advertisement and bid bulletin duly posted by this office in the DPWH and PhilJEP website. For any correction, additional data, or requirements for the posted advertisement, we always post the same in the website within allowable deadline as per 9184 and its implementing rules and regulations. So please, interested bidder, please check our website from time to time for any further announcement. That's all.
If no more additional instructions, that concludes our PREBID conference, and thank you for joining us and hoping to see you again on our next.
Thank you.